How's it going, guys? It's K Cars, and today I'm going to be starting a video series about the ZL1 Addons product that I got in the mail. So I actually got rock guards and a diffuser. So this first video is going to be an unboxing of the rock guards, and the next video is going to be the installation tutorial for the rock guards, and the video after that is going to be the unboxing of the diffuser, and then after that I'm going to be doing an installation tutorial for the diffuser. And if you're new to the channel, all of these products are going to be going on this 2016 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Shaker, so you definitely want to subscribe to see more videos about this car. Also, if you want to see the rest of the videos for this series. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. So right here is the box that it came with. It's actually a pretty big box because the diffuser is in here too. So in this video I'm just going to be showing you guys the rock guard, so let's go ahead and open up this box. So here are the actual rock guards. So at first when I unboxed this, I thought I only got like one set or just two of them, but there's actually two in each package, so just something to keep in mind if you're also ordering these. Let's go ahead and unwrap these and see what they look like. Here you guys can see the rock guards. You can see that it did come with the 3M adhesive. I guess these didn't come with it, but these actually did come with these push pins that you're supposed to use. I believe these are the instructions, so let's go ahead and go over the instructions and see if it seems easy to install. So here are the instructions for the front rock guard. Doesn't seem too difficult, but like I said, in this video it's just an unboxing. I'm going to be doing a separate video when I actually install them, so you definitely want to go check that out. So this is actually how it's going to fit on. This is the front, and you can see these holes, if I can get it right. These holes are supposed to line up something like that. Then you have the adhesive on the back just to help it stick on there a little more. So hopefully the install goes smooth, so you guys can check out that video when it comes out and see how it goes. Here's the rear rock guard. This is what it's going to look like. This one didn't come with 3M adhesive. I'm not sure why. So yeah, hopefully, not sure what the top one's gonna look like, but I guess we'll find out in the install. Looks like they actually included some washers for the top one, so I'm guessing that's what that's for. I haven't read the instructions completely yet, so I'm going to be doing that all in the install video. So guys, overall I'm really happy with how the diffuser and the rock guards were packaged. Nothing was damaged, except pretty sure all the rock guards were supposed to come with 3M adhesive, but the rear ones didn't. I'm not sure if they just forgot to put it on or if it's just not even supposed to come with them, but I don't know, it's not a huge deal. I guess I don't really need the adhesive if I have all the push pins in there, so it shouldn't be a problem for me. Like I said, guys, I just wanted to make this quick little unboxing video, just kind of like a review of the ZL1 Addons rock guards for this 2016 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. And if you want to see the installation video of these rock guards, I'm going to be releasing that video next week, so definitely go check that video out. Hoping it's going to go pretty easily. And I'll be honest with you guys, I don't really have much experience with this kind of stuff, so if you're a complete beginner and want the perspective of installing stuff like this from another beginner's perspective like me, then you definitely want to subscribe to my channel and go ahead and watch those videos when they come out. Like I said, I also got the diffuser from ZL1 Addons for this car, and that's going to look insane. It's going to make the rear look a whole lot more aggressive, so I'm looking forward to that a lot. So you guys definitely don't want to miss those videos. Like I said, this is going to be a video series about the ZL1 Addons products that I just got. It'll be the rock guard unboxing video, which is this, and then the rock guard installation video, which will be next week, and then the diffuser unboxing will be the week after that, and the diffuser installation will be the week after that. So as always, guys, thanks for watching.